Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I am going to show you how to make curry shrimp with coconut milk. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Those are the ingredients I will be using: bell peppers, onion, homemade seasoning, salt, Italian seasoning, turmeric powder, curry powder, oil, coconut milk, and of course your shrimp, ready clean, ready to go. Next step, I am going to seasoning the shrimp. Combine all the seasoning together and add white vinegar. Mix it well. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The frying pan is nice and hot. I'm just going to drizzle some oil and add the shrimp, let it cook. Going to let each side cook for 1 minute, then remove it from the stove because I don't want the shrimp to be overcooked. I'm going to add some more oil to saute the vegetables. Stay tuned until the end because you don't want to miss this. Let it saute for 5 to 10 minutes, and guys, it's always good when you taste your food as you go, okay? So you will know what it needs and what you don't have to add on to it. It's fine. Taste your food. Now I'm adding the coconut milk. As you can see, for this recipe I did not use any water, but it's up to you if you want to add water. Let it boil, then I'm gonna add the shrimp. There you have it. Curry shrimp with coconut milk. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.